Hey, welcome back to Lame Chop Builds. How's everyone doing today? See where my recording is here. I can zoom in just a tad. All right. A little update on what I've been working on, this Shelby Cobra that I built when I was a kid, younger kid, I guess. Took almost all of it apart. The wheels ended up coming apart pretty easy. Had to break a little bit of the mounting off there. As you can see, it's kind of came apart. What I got going on here? Took the headers off apart. One of them needed positioned a little better. It was crooked, like didn't mount right. It didn't sit right. Never had. So I took that apart and fixed that. Getting the engine wired using the stock distributor. Painted it blue also. Let me see if you can kind of see that. The stock distributor. Battery's going dead on my phone. Painted it Tamiya blue. Use some testers, copper for the freeze plugs there. Right or wrong, it looks all right. And some Tamiya flat aluminum, I think, or flat aluminum for the transmission. What else I got here? Got that done. Worked a little more on the body, so I may prime it again. Cleaned up a little bit of it. Then a few videos back, maybe on the Chrysler 300, I de-chromed some stuff and re-chromed. Well, I've done the same with the wheels on this and everything else that I've wanted to. These are the valve covers. Using Molotov chrome, poured and airbrushed over cheap black primer. Man, that stuff looks fantastic. For for $3.99 at Hobby Lobby for the chrome pin. If you know where to look in Hobby Lobby to find it, it's not with Hobby stuff anymore. They moved them. No, $3.99. They got cheap. They got their brand of chrome paint back there. This is about oil cover. I'm gonna clear them here in a little while. Let them dry for a little bit, then clear them. The window frame. I had turning out. And I took the wheels apart. Oh, that's like the back half of the wire. Focus. Probably not gonna focus on that. That looks pretty good. These did look all right, but I de-chromed them and cleaned them up some. I only got 2 spinners though. I'm deciding if I want to pillage my new kit and get the spinners, or it's got some styrene and make caps or something for those. Not have any spinners on it. There's the air filter. What else? I didn't do the carburetor, did I? No. I was going to paint it aluminum, I think. That's where this is headed right now. Kind of getting it done. There's another piece here I was going to show. Got the interior. Yeah, this was painted silver when I was a kid. You can kind of see down in there where it was silverish. Right in here somewhere. Got some leather for the floor mats. Looks pretty good. Looks all right. There's the carburetors. I'm missing another. Where'd it go? Alternator and all that. I've left something on here red. Even this big spot down here, the pulley, that was still red. I never even painted it. So I wired the alternator. Oh, I'm over here. You can see it's all used Tamiya rubber black for the belt. rather than just flat black paint. Got the pulleys painted up a little bit. You know, for an old kit getting rebuilt, it ain't looking too bad. Coming along. What else? I think that's all I've done on this thing so far lately. Still a little bit more cleanup to do on some other stuff. They'll be going back together soon. Maybe not this Sunday it'll be done. Maybe the following Sunday. Then I'm going to get back into the Pontiac Bonneville for my lowrider. And then the Dart for the USAC build. Be sure to email if you would like a shop card and possibly a Christmas card. I do have a Christmas shop card, as some of you might have seen already, with the Santa on there. There's a few people who got them. I mailed about 18 to 20 of them out, so everyone will be getting them that got them. May have them middle of this week at the latest, I would think. And with that, if you want a shop card, email me, lamechopbuilds@gmail.com, and I'll get you one in the mail. I've got 2 of them to send out right now, like a old card and my new one. Kind of went with the same theme, you know, the gray with the cars on it, you know. I'll load under here. Yeah, looks a little the same. These were printed on Avery paper. This is printed at Walmart. These are a lot cheaper, 14 cents. Didn't take long to figure out how to get everything centered to where everything showed up on it I wanted. Now I have that formatted. All I gotta do is change the layout, add stuff to it or whatever. Next time I want to send them. With that, happy modeling. We'll see you next time. Hey, also, I got in a sticker from Big Sky. Drove there at Big Sky. We're going to hang it. We're going to put it up on the wall here. My wall of stickers. Wasn't expecting that to come in yet. Really wasn't expecting it at all. Appreciate it, Joe. See you next time.